What's up, YouTube? On this episode of Coddiwomple Garage, we're going to be talking about our Cooper STT Pro tires. A little less than 6 months ago, we decided to change the tires on our Jeep. Prior to that, we had been using all-terrains, but it seemed to limit the places that we could go. After a lot of research, we decided to go with the Coopers. We've been running these tires for about 5,000 miles now and feel like we can give a fair review. On the Blacktop, these tires are very comfortable and predictable, and they're a lot quieter than any other mud terrain that I've ever ran. When it comes to rain, they're also very predictable and confidence-inspiring. On gravel roads, these tires are outstanding. The way they're designed helps reduce the amount of rocks you pick up in the treads. They work great on the sand too. I never felt like I was digging in or sinking. Floatation was great. When it comes to rocks, these tires are absolutely unbelievable. I couldn't believe how they would just grip and claw and make climbing things so easy. It doesn't even matter if the rocks are wet. You probably want to know how the STT Pros do in the mud. And this is where the tires really shine. The wide, deep lugs on the tread really get a good grip, and the side lugs help you get a grip whether you're on rock or mud. If the lugs do happen to get clogged up, a little extra loud pedal and they clean out real easy. I guess the only type of terrain we haven't talked about is snow. We have had them in a little bit of snow. I can tell you from first-hand experience, 8 inches of snow with these beasts are not any problem at all. While other people were sliding all over the road, we did not spin a tire. When it comes to air pressures, we typically run about 32 pounds on the road, and we drop down to somewhere between 18 and 22 on the dirt. If you're going to be in rock, mud, or snow, you may want to drop down a little bit more. So I guess the question is, would we recommend these tires? And that is absolutely yes. They've been great for everything that we've thrown at them, and it's only showing minimal wear with 5,000 miles on them now. Thanks again for watching Coddiwomple Overland. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Let us know what you think and what you're running in the comments below. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.